Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log in into the Remitly account quickly and safely. First, open the Remitly app or go to the official Remitly website. Then, go ahead and enter your registered email address and password. And then, if two-step verification is enabled, you receive a code on your phone or email. Enter that code and complete the login process. If you've forgotten the password, tap on the forgot password and follow the instructions to reset it. Make sure that you have entered the correct email address linked to your account. Now that you are successfully logged into your Remitly account, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.